If you've ever accidentally deleted an important file or folder in OneDrive, or just can't find something you were sure you saved, don't panic. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to track down and recover those deleted items, whether you're on your computer or using the OneDrive website. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently restore lost files and understand where they actually go when you hit delete. Let's dive straight in. Let's start with the easiest option, checking deleted files directly from your computer if you have OneDrive syncing to your desktop. On Windows PCs, look for the Recycle bin. It's usually a little trash can icon sitting right on your desktop. For Mac users, this is called trash, but the idea is exactly the same. Go ahead and double-click that icon to open it up. Inside, you'll see a list of deleted files and folders that were removed from your computer, including ones you might have deleted from your OneDrive folder, since OneDrive syncs directly with your device. Finding your lost file here is straightforward. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you remember part of the file name. When you spot it, right-click on the file or folder and then click Restore. Don't worry if it's been sitting there for a while. Unless you've cleared your Recycle bin, files usually stick around for 30 days by default. Clicking Restore sends your file right back to where it originally lived, so if it was in your Documents folder inside OneDrive, you'll find it there again. Pretty painless, right? Of course, if you don't see your file here or if you emptied your Recycle bin recently, don't stress. We have another powerful method using the OneDrive website. Next, let's switch over to OneDrive Online. Open your browser and go to OneDrive.com. Sign in with your account details. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different folders and sections. There should be an option labeled Recycle Bin. Click on that. The Recycle Bin on the OneDrive website is kind of like a backup for your deleted cloud files. Here you'll see only the files and folders you deleted from OneDrive itself, not from other parts of your computer. Take your time to scan the list. Sometimes sorting by deleted date helps if you just lost something recently. Got your file? Great. Just click the checkbox next to it and look for the Restore button, usually up at the top of the page. Click Restore and OneDrive will put your item right back in its original location, just like rewinding time. Now here's an extra tip if you have a work or school account. There's actually a second place deleted files can go called the second stage Recycle bin. If you don't see your file in the main Recycle bin, scroll to the very bottom and look for a link. This will take you to the second stage bin. Files can live here for up to 93 days after being deleted, almost like a last chance safety net. So even if you think all hope is lost, give this area a quick look before giving up. And that's it. Recovering deleted files in OneDrive is simpler than most people realize. And now you know how to check both on your computer and from any device with a browser. If this helped you rescue an important document or photo, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you need advice on a trickier OneDrive problem. And don't forget to subscribe. I have plenty more guides just like this one coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy file recovering.